Okay, Kristen, let me see if I can help you out just a little bit here. My computer program crashed and I had to start over. I apologize for the delay. Um, what you're looking to do is to slice this out of a cross. I did an extra layer on these. These will be available on my site. I'll give you the link and you can go and you can download these for your use. First thing you're going to do is ungroup them because they're two grouped together and hide the one that you don't want. And then you're going to need a cross. That one that you showed me is from Dreams Time, and you will have to buy that if you want to use that one. Um, I have one that I kind of like in Design Space here that I uploaded. You can get it from Love's SVG. It is Easter Frames monogram set. So if you want to go and get that cross, there it is right there. They call it the Easter Monogram Frame Set. And it's from Love's SVG. But you can get this one, and it's probably free. Most all of their files are free. And I'm just going to ungroup it. I'm going to pull that one out, and I'm going to hide the rest of this. And then I'm going to size this to whatever size it is that I'm going to make this. I think 8.5 inches is pretty good size. That should work. And then you have, of course, you can twist this or turn it. It is welded, so you can't change that, but you can fit it in there kind of like you want it. Let's see, let me move that to the back so I can, there we go. And I'm going to say right about there is where I want to place that. And now I'm going to come over here and ungroup this. I'm going to move this out of my way. And I didn't know how much you wanted to cut out of there, so I did an extra layer. This will probably be sufficient, this blue layer. So I'm just going to hide the gray layer. And I'm going to select everything. And notice slice is not available. I need to, you can contour this out if you want to change and separate it. You can contour one and then separate it that way. You need to duplicate it first though, and then do your contours. Why are you not letting me slice? That's why. You see that the frame, how it come in, it's all just a bunch of pieces. You'll need to weld your cross piece. Okay, once you've got it welded, I'm going to arrange to move that back to the back. So you'll want to weld it first after you size it, and then size up your words. And if you want to know what I mean by contour to change it and separate it, I'm going to duplicate it, and then I can click contour, and I can get rid of this one and just have that blessed. And then I can contour this one and then take this one out and just have the nano. So you can do that so that you can separate it if you need to, and then you'll have to do the same thing with this one. So just however you want to do that. I'm going to put it back because I'm just going to show you how to slice it. I'm just going to get rid of this. Don't need it. So this is the way that it's set up. This piece is welded, and it will go back in there. You need that shadow layer. So once you've got it lined up, select them both, slice, and then you just want to move your cross over. You can select all of this and delete it. And I'm going to make this cross a different color just so you can see that it will show up and fit in there nicely, giving you that nice little border around the cross. Okay, so that's how you're going to come up and do that. And it's the same as a name knockout, and I do have a video for that. If you need that link, let me know. If you need any more help with it, just let us know in the group or message me and I'll help you out.